Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Surbi and today I'm going to show you how to prepare a fresh and tasty Greek salad. It's easy to prepare and perfect for healthy lunch or even a light dinner. So let's get started. I have taken 3 leaves of lettuce. We will chop them into small pieces. I have tried this salad for the first time in the canteen of Qatar Airways where I used to work before. Since then, I'm in love with this salad. So now we will chop one cucumber into small pieces. I have taken yellow bell pepper. You can choose it of any other color like green, yellow or red, whatever is available for you. I have used half bell pepper in it and let's cut them into small pieces. I have taken 1 cup of cherry tomatoes and now I'm chopping them into half. I have also taken half a red onion and we have to chop it into thin slices. Now we will slice one avocado into small pieces. I have added half cup of diced black olives in it. I have added 100 grams of feta cheese in it. I have bought this feta cheese from supermarket here. Now we will prepare homemade dressing for this salad. Dressing adds flavor to your salad and makes it delicious. Let's squeeze 2 medium-sized lemon in a jar. Add half cup olive oil, 1 clove garlic crushed. Add half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon black pepper. Or you can add salt and black pepper as per your taste. Shake it well and drizzle it over the salad. Mix it well. Our delicious Greek salad is ready. It's loaded with veggies, healthy fats and some protein from the cheese. I hope you will give it a try. Thanks for watching.